Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy M23 5G. Okay, so what we will need is next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So on the bottom of the box, where has been the phone in before, you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just flap the wings like this to remove it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. And if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, in this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, next to a micro SD card. Okay, so let's start now with the first SIM card. You will place it here in the middle. So this is how it should look like then. So missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. Again, if you want, you can add now also a second SIM card. If yes, you will put it here on the first position of the SIM tray. This is how it should look like then. Also here missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. Okay, and as I said, also you can add also a micro SD card here at the same time if you want to extend the internal storage. So be carefully that nothing jumps out. Okay, this is how it should look like then. And of course you can use the micro SD card also with just one SIM card. And the contacts are below as well. Okay, and after you just put your construction back into the phone like this. Take care that nothing jumps out, close it well, and that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.